back in the kitchen, and today it's chakra work for me, because if you've been catching my latest posts about the candle work, you know my solar plexus has been taking a lot of hits. This is like the 5th one, but as you can see, the soot is finally going away because it was really bad. But let's get to why I'm here, because majority of the time I'm shopping, I'm intuitively led to what I'm grabbing. And since I'm preparing to get the fuck out of here, I haven't been grabbing much of anything. But then when I looked into my bag, I had a pineapple and a yellow bell pepper. And it's like Source and my higher self is speaking to me saying, all right, we're going to do some chakra purging through food. So that brings me to this. Food is medicine and food is frequency in my kitchen. And I'm here to teach you how to be mindful of what you're putting into your meat suit and what these ingredients actually do. Ditch the fucking processed and packaged trash. Cleanse your body the natural way. Let's get into the energetics. Solar and heart chakra edition, since it's yellow and green up in here. So we got pineapple and yellow bell pepper first. Solar double down energy. This is pure yellow light frequency. It's designed to burn through the black soot and self-doubt of external suppression. It recharges your willpower and tells the universe, hey, you're back in charge of your own power. Avocado, the buffer. When you're doing heavy solar plexus work like I am, it could get intense, and avocado provides the healthy fats to cushion the nerves and ground the high voltage energy so you don't burn out. Cucumber, the rinse. Think of this as the water that washes away the debris after the fire of the yellow ingredients does its job. Jalapeno, the catalyst, high vibration fire element that simulates the solar plexus. It burns through mental fog and spiritual stagnation, acting as the ignition to clear the soot and activate your personal power. Red onion and cilantro, the detox team. The onion creates the boundary and the cilantro pulls the heavy metal out of your spirit and your physical body. Lime juice and olive oil, the flux. The lime activates the fire and the olive oil ensures the energy flows smoothly through your system without getting stuck. And my personal favorite, the parasitic shield, fresh garlic, the great purifier. This is the antibiotic of the spirit. It aggressively hunts down parasites, both physical ones in your gut and the energy vampires that are in your life. It strengthens the will of the solar plexus by creating an impenetrable boundary. Sea salt and black pepper, the seal, purifying ingredients and igniting the metabolic fire to process the healing. So this is a bowl of medicine and healing. I should have got a bigger bowl because all of this turned into a lot, but you could eat this the way it is, like I am. You could add spinach, you could add arugula. If you want to fine dice this into a pico or salsa style, you could eat it with chips, 333 on that timer. You could put it on shrimp taco, fish taco, chicken taco, whatever you feel like doing. Because I cut it big. My plan is to eat it like this, has a salad. But like I said, you could turn it into smaller cuts and use it as a salsa because this is looking delicious. It's like taste the rainbow, eat the rainbow. But food is medicine, food is frequency. So I'm going to feed my heart chakra and my solar plexus because it needs replenishing, being, you know, all the attacks that I've been getting hit with. So the more you know, the more you can raise your frequency, because that's the point of eating the fresh foods. High vibration, raise the frequency. If you are vibrating at a high frequency, a lot of the low vibrational trash can't touch you. The more you know. Hope you try this one because it looks and smells delicious. Let's give you a bite before I go. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons, show your girl some love.